Alright everybody, I looked on YouTube for my specific gear for my truck to tie in some LED lights that I'm putting in underneath. You can see them. Sorry, cell phone footage. So I was looking for the dome light wire on the passenger side. On the driver's side, it's a blue wire and black striped wire. No problem. Came over here looking through the cluster wires here, couldn't find it. This little tiny brown wire, the solid brown wire, that's what you could tie into for your running lights on the passenger side. Coming up here to this connector, this is the wire for your dome light. Blue and black stripe, same color wires coming from the passenger's or driver's side, sorry, over here. You can splice into this wire before this pin connection and connect there. Hope that helps you. Again, sorry for the shitty footage. Don't have no damn GoPro, but you get the point.